what's going on, you guys? Nikki George here. I wanted to do the intro before I went out to Mother's Day brunch. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the world. Mommies to be and all the daddies who have to play mommy. I think we're going to be vlogging throughout the day. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I wanted to get the intro done today. Well, right now while Jason's asleep. Just because he always tells me that I'm too shy to do it and I can't do it. So I wanted to prove him wrong. But like I said, we're going to be doing some vlogging throughout the day. I know we're going over his mom's house later on tonight because we have a present for her. I don't know if we're going to go over my mom's house yet. I haven't really talked to her. So yeah, let's see what this day holds.
So Nikki forgot to show Adeline's outfit.
Come here, Adeline. Don't play it over to the living room.
Adeline, come here.
No cookie.
Ready? Say cheese. Aw, she's shy.
She's tired.
They went to Mother's Day brunch. Where?
Salvatore's.
Salvatore's.
You want one of your fruit bars?
Fruit bars. She's like, what am I supposed to do with that, Mama? You want fruit snacks? She is a fruit snack. She has a fruit snack addiction, right?
Yeah.
She'll eat like 4 or 5 bags a day. It's crazy.
We asked
later.
everybody.
Guess we'll ice those, huh?
Yeah, we asked everybody for her birthday party. Back it up on my fat face. We asked everybody for her birthday party to bring at least 1 box of fruit snacks for her.
What's the matter, honey? Everyone brought like a case.
Yeah, this whole box is filled with fruit snacks. Then there's
Fruit snacks, fruit snacks, fruit
big
snacks.
Dory box.
Fruit snacks, fruit snacks, fruit snacks.
Yeah.
Fruit snacks. So many. Okay, we're at the field now. That's where my daughter plays t-ball. Right down there. I rode the bike up. I rode my dad on the bike. That was fun. Is that it right there? That's what they're taking?
Yeah.
Oh jeez. My sister's taking the tractor. You have to go through the field, huh?
No, I might be able to get it by there. You have to try.
Might as well use it to cut this grass real quick.
Is this only cut?
Look at it.
Right.
It's horrible. It's like 2 feet tall. No one likes to cut it. But yeah, we're going to be loading that in the truck without a trailer, so stay tuned for that. So you remember that tractor I showed you? This is it. Ladies and gentlemen, there are 3 fields from there to here. I had to push it because the stupid asshole tractor would not start. Yeah. Fucking bitch. I'm thinking it's the battery. I got the battery charger, looking for an extension cord. And I don't see one anywhere. So we finally got the lawnmower started. I'm covered in gas. I got it moved up to the top of the hill where we're going to put on the truck. It's stalled. Yeah, it wasn't fun. He's trying to get a hold of my sister trying to come get it. Bet you any money they're sleeping.
Call your mother.
Get her to call her.
She didn't answer her either. She answered me.
She probably won't answer you either.
Laura?
Yeah.
She has Amelia, don't she?
No, she's over at Chip's house.
She's staying the night again.
I think so.
She got school tomorrow. Where's your daughter?
Sleeping. Guarantee she's sleeping.
Trying to get all of them
Guaranteed.
up. I got the tractor up here.
Pushed it all the way up here. Filled it with gas. Took about a half hour to start. I started with a key and a screwdriver because the key cylinder's all screwed up. So I guess we'll be back when we load on the truck. So we're back home. I didn't record doing the tractor because it was a fiasco. She's mad.
I'm very mad right now.
It took us like 3 hours. Mostly because Jamie fell asleep. So Nikki is making me take her to the store after I did all that work. How do you feel about yourself?
Pretty good because it's Mother's Day and I'm supposed to get whatever I want on Mother's Day.
Let me know if that's true. What are you going to say it is?
I'm the mother of your kids, so like everything I say is true.
I guess that's the thing of women is women are always right, huh?
Yes.
No matter what, even if they're 100% wrong, they're right.
If I am 100% wrong, I am 100% right.
How does that make sense?
Because I'm always right. You think it's like, you think I'm joking, but I'm really not. I'm always
I
right.
think she's joking. She has to be.
No.
If she would say the sky is brown, and she'll argue all night that she's right. Right?
Yeah.
All the time.
That's how I was raised.
So we're going to the dollar store to get sprinkles for the Mother's Day cakes.
Yep.
What kind of sprinkles we get?
I'm looking for rainbow sprinkles. I thought I lost your debit card. I got scared for a second.
We're going to look for rainbow sprinkles. We should get, like, fudge, too. To put on the cake.
Fudge sprinkles or like fudge?
Just fudge.
I don't think they sell fudge at the dollar store.
I don't know, maybe they do.
Like I have Amelia Flowers. Can you like get that? You're severely showing my 7 chins right now and I'm not comfortable.
You guys think she has 7 chins?
I do have 7 chins. I ballooned up to 210 when I was pregnant with Annalise.
Hit the like button if you think she doesn't have 7 chins. Or comment if you think she does.
The like button's not going to help me with my 7 chins.
Well, I want to get their perspective on it. Okay, we're at the store. Probably not going to film inside because we're probably not allowed. So. She lied. She said Alan's up. Does that look up to you? Hi, Andy. She's tired. Add a weed.
Okay guys, we are at his mom's house. We're taking the cakes down for her for Mother's Day. I don't know if we're going to record down here just because I don't know if his mom
Get on the porch. Get on the porch!
will let us record. Sorry, Amelia must ran out in front of the car. So yeah, if not, we will see you guys on our way home.
Amelia.
Hi.
Ready? Here.
Who?
You. You're Kaya's mother.
Let's go. Get out of here. Did you get a Mother's Day present? Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that
She's
face.
so happy.
She got a Mother's Day present. From who?
From Mommy.
Daddy.
that yours?
She's Kaya's mom.
She probably wants you.
Because you're Kaya's mom. Can you read it? Let me hear you read it.
And it's like, look, she's got a comment.
I love you. Adore the fun we share. I love you. Cupcakes.
Take your binky out. Take your binky.
Anything we do. You always care. I love you because you always care. I got this.
There.
I got
It says
this.
Happy Mother's Day, and then it has Kaya's name. And
Oh.
the
I got this.
A pretty light picked you out a rose. Because your name is Amelia Rose, and her name is Kaya Rose. You have to go home and give Kaya hugs and kisses, huh? Where's your binky?
Some water when you get home.
No, I can't get up.
Go in your house.
Careful.
Where you at? You over here?
Say, come in.
Adeline.
Don't run, you're gonna fall.
She shut me out. Adeline.
Hey, what? Hey, Matt! No running.
Adeline, hey.
Go in the house.
Who are you texting?
No one. Hit that phone. Almost. Daddy,
Come down the slide.
I'm coming too.
Alan, go down the side.
Ew. This is for me.
There you go. Back up, Ping. Wait.
How about we have to take turns?
On your butt.
Good girl.
Yay!
Don't film me. Do me.
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Did it on your feet. Did it on your feet. Creeper shot.
Hey! Oh, yeah!
No running. What? What? Stop.
Adeline, no running, baby. I don't want you to fall.
So I guess that's it for today. We'll see you back at the house. So Amelia wants to show everybody how she can cartwheel. She's 5 years old. She does a cartwheel better than me. Do it again. Whoa. Okay. Alright, come here.
I'm not doing it.
Come here. I'll do it then.
Me.
Thank you all for watching.
Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the Joy family. Peace out. Bow, bow, bow.
Like and subscribe, everybody. Oh, we still need those 30 likes for Amelia to dye her hair pink. Give it to us. Because Mommy will freak out and it'll be great. So, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.